Good morning, everyone. Today I'm going to plant 2 coneflower. I want to show you before I get them in the ground. I've got Echinacea Sunseeker Manola. It's a double petal. You can see around the flower instead of just single petal, it's double flower. Isn't that beautiful? And then I also have this one. Both I got from Home Depot on sale. This coneflower says it's powwow white. I think they mislabeled it because you can see it's not white. It starts out as white, but at maturity it's this pink color. Still really pretty, so that's why I chose it. But this orange color provides a really pretty pop. Look at that baby one right there that's in bloom. And then you can see as it gets bigger, it's turned into this beautiful orange color. I was thinking a good place would be right here. I know it seems crowded, but I actually have a really good spot right here that something can grow. And it'll also complement the vermillionaire over here. This is the vermillionaire kufia. So it's going to attract the hummingbirds, and then I've got the pollinator attractor stuff right here. And it stands out against this whiteness, so I think it'll be a good spot for it. Think about right there. It'll give it room to kind of grow along the fountain and this way. And then this one I have going just to the opposite side corner over there. So I'm going to get started. Whew. And it is a hot one today, humid. All right, that one is in. And then I'm gonna come over here and plant this pink one, I think, right here. I'm sweating already. It's very humid today. Right on this border, I think. Right next to the white one, and this one is supposed to be white, but it looks more lime color. should really consider getting an auger. All right, let's see if that's deep enough. Perfect. All right, I'm just planting those 2 flowers. I definitely sweat out all the water I drank this morning. Let me get a closer shot. I wanted more around this spot here, but it was so compact in I couldn't get to it, so it had to come down this way a little bit. Look how beautiful that looks. And it'll complement the phlox over here. And then, of course, offset these other 2 groupings. Actually, it's 4 groupings of coneflower. And then, as you can see over here, this is the orange one in the ground. So I think once it gets settled and starts growing, it'll look beautiful with the rest of the color. So this garden is starting to look full. I do need to come in and take care of, I have a tomato seedling that took place, and I kind of let it grow, but it needs to be trellis up. These are, I can't remember what it's called. I think it's the big boy, I want to say the yellow variety, which is supposed to be a little bit sweeter, not quite as sour or tart tasting. It's supposed to be more sweet, not a lot of acid in it. So we'll see. That's 2 planting project I have for today. It's so hot and humid. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do anything else. I would like to come in the garden and trim a little bit, but I think it's going to be too hot to do all that. I hope you guys are having a great day today and a great weekend. Happy 4th. And yeah, have a blessed weekend and week. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye, everybody.